How's it going, Riders? So today in this video we are going to be installing LED day makers in a 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Light Special. These are the stock headlights. 2015 Harley-Davidson Street Light. Alright guys, so first thing to do is there's a screw over here that we're going to be taking out. You go sideways. You don't go straight in, you don't go straight down, it's sideways. So you take this out, you loosen this to the screw. So after you unscrew that, you have to twist it to the left. What it is when you twist it to the left, there's a latch on top. I'll show you right now. Once it's twisted. Oh. So there's this latch right here that clamps right on the top right here. So when you twist it, you're pretty much just taking it out of the latch. So it's right over there. Now, next, there's 3 screws. One over here, and one over here. So you start with the bottom ones first. Put it in your trusty ashtray, magnet ashtray. Before you do this last screw, just make sure you're holding onto it, because as soon as it's loose, it's pretty much just gonna fall down. It's a little tight, but you know. Damn, screw fell. So when that's out, take the ring out. And this will pretty much fall over. Now, just to make everything easy, just take the lights off now. For now, you twist it to the right. It's actually just like most vehicles. It comes out, so at least you can get this out. So over here, we have, to get this harness off, there's a thing on top right here you have to pull off. You could probably just slide this off, but I'm taking this off so I can put on the other harness for the LEDs. Alright, right now I'm gonna try to take that little tab off right there on the top. It's pretty much a button you push down, you push it down. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but you push it so it slides right down. Or you could do that. You could just slide it out. And there's that little tab right over there. Why does everything have to be so complicated? Once I get this out, you'll see what I was trying to do. There you go. Well, I broke it. Okay, guys. This is the new new light coming in. Don't that look nice? It'll look nice when it's on there. It has wiring harness. And there's a few different ones just to make sure that you get the right one in there. This is what we took off. So we're gonna plug that in. So even though I broke it, because I'm a dumbass, oh, you know what? It already came with one. So good thing. And this one we are not gonna use, so just slide it in there. You don't want it to be touching any other light. So this is the new harness. We're going to be taking this harness off, and the way you do it, you pull it up. There you go, it comes right out. And here's you can put that back in with the headlight and just to save it. Then we replace it with the new harness. Just make sure you get it in right. That away. Goes right in. In. Okay, once it's plugged in, you pretty much this thing slipped off when I was taking it off, so put that back in. Actually, there you go. There you go. Now, the new headlight right over here. So it looks like I have a whole new whatever this thing is. So if that's the case, I'm going to take this off and put this one on. So, just heads up, just before you put everything in, I suggest you guys test it out first. Make sure everything's good. So, plugged in all the way. Alright, so, test it out before. Okay, looks good. Check the brights. Looks good. Okay, now it's ready to be installed. So it looks like there's only 4 screws on here. So, taking this off, I realized it was plastic that this is going to. I mean, there might be something else in there, but just make sure you don't strip it. Now I have this gun set at low torque, so just so it's it won't strip. Now to set the lighting, this Allen wrench would be moving to the left, along with this Allen wrench moving to the right, and this one is up and down. So I'm not really sure what it is. I'd have to take it for a test ride, but I have an idea, and we'll go from there. I might even take it for a ride before I put the cover on. So this is my review on my lights. The headlight seems pretty good. The LED haymakers. I know there's a bunch of cars right now, so it's kind of hard to tell, but my review is I'm happy with it. The LED is definitely bright. I'm giving the LED lights an A+, which I know I would because I had it on Betsy. So if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. And ride safe.